Hello, 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 hello. Wherever you are on this mysterious world of ours called Earth, I hope you are having a sensational day, evening, or night, wherever you are located. On this channel, I'm going to be covering something that nearly everyone, most people who I know, encounter afraid of in math. I'm going to be tackling how to solve word problems. I'm going to go as deep as I can go into every topic in math: arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus. But I have to take my first step, and my first step is a problem with arithmetic. So let's jump right in. Let me read this to you. Johnny would like to plant some bulbs in his garden. Each bulb needs 2 square feet. If his gardens look like the diagram below, how many bulbs can he plant? Already it's telling me to be good at math word problems, you basically got to be good at English. Got to be real good at English. You got to detect what each word in that word problem is saying. For me, this what stands out right now. The word to, Control Z. The word that's standing out to me is the word to, let me make this smaller. 2 square feet. That's letting me know right there what I need to do to solve this. 2 square feet. If you know anything about area deals with square feet. And since we have a rectangle right here, we need the area formula for a rectangle, which is base times height. For me, I'm going to call the base B 24. And I'm going to call my H, which is height, 6. Now, realistically, the order of the numbers don't matter. I could have made my height 24. I could have made my base 6. So remember that when you deal with area. It's just a formula. Since area is just multiplication, the ordering of the numbers don't matter. So let me jump into the next part. Now I want to substitute my numbers in for these letters. Since I called base 24, right underneath the B, I'm going to put 24 times H, I called 6. So I called that 6. Now I'm going to do the multiplication in a format that most of us see. I'm going to do the multiplication in the vertical way. So I'm going to say 24 times, oops, let me get rid of that. That's that little error right there. Times 6. A multiplication go right here. Now, if you want to use a calculator, be my guest. It doesn't matter if you need to use a calculator or not, as long as you know how to put the numbers correctly in that calculator. And I'm sure you know how to do it for this. 24 times 24. I'm sorry, 6 times 4 is 24, as I just now said. I have to carry that 2. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And that is the area of this rectangle. We have to do some other math to it, but that's the area. And what that's basically saying, in this rectangle, there are 144, let me just do it quick, 144 boxes. 144 boxes. And you know, I'm just sketching it real quick. I'm just making a quick example of how it looks. It's a bunch of even boxes. 144 even boxes in here. And the thing about each box is, every one of these boxes, here's an example of my green box. Each of these boxes is 1 feet. But in the word problem, it said I need 2 square feet. Here's 1 square feet. To get 2 square feet, you must divide. Now, when it's 2 square feet, as you probably know, I'm gonna be taking up more space. I'm taking up more space since it become 2. I want to know. So when it's 1 square feet, it's equal to 144 little boxes in here. When it's 2 square feet, 2 square feet. Oops, that looked ugly. Let me erase this. I'm sorry. I'm using my trackball, not my mouse. Or not the mouse, not my pen. My pen is at home. I have a pen for this. 2 square feet. And I want to know what's that equal to. Well, I'll put a blank right here. So since I did multiplication, the thing that makes a number get small rapidly is division. So I have to divide by 2. So I have to say, let me change my color back to blue. Or should I change it to red? I'm going to say 2. I'm going to bring it over here. 2 divided into 144. Divide by 2. Now, what number times 2 give me 14? 14 is 7. Now, to do this, you got to be good at your multiplication and division. That's the first prerequisite to solve any area thing. You have to have expertise with multiplication and division. So if you're not no expert, I suggest you start studying that multiplication table and become a pro. 2 times 7 is 14. I have to do subtract from standard division. Or if you use your calculator, you already got the answer by now. This is 14 from 14 is 0. So I'll bring down my 4. Then I must ask myself, what number times 2 give me this 4? And the answer is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. I subtract my 4 and I have 0. So that's the answer. So if I want to make a square of 2 feet, there will be, I would need 72 boxes to plant my little bulbs in. That means right up here, instead of being these green boxes, which is 144, I will make it red and it will be larger. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you gained some experience and doing this area problem involving the rectangle. Until the next time, dear listener, peace.